This is the third video in a three-part series about how to handle workspaces in Toon Boom Harmony. This video covers managing and saving workspaces. So once you've configured your workspace to the way you like it, go Windows, Workspace, Save Workspace As, and just save your workspace. So I'm going to call this Me Like This. To change your workspace, you can go back to that menu, Windows, Workspace, Workspace, and all of your workspaces are here. So just click on any of these and this will set your workspace. I just clicked on default and it's taken me to what is saved on the default workspace. Let's set it back. So select Windows, Workspace, Workspace, Me Like This. Alternatively, within your toolbars, there's an option for adding the Workspace toolbar. This allows you to easily change your workspace. So using this drop down, you have access to your workspaces. By default, any changes to your workspace will automatically be saved to the workspace that is currently selected. If you don't want this to be the case, then go to Harmony, Preferences, General, and within General, there's a tick box that says Automatically Save Workspace. Uncheck that and click OK. So now what you'll see is you'll have a button for Save Workspace within your Workspace toolbar. You also have Windows, Workspace, Save Workspace. So that's how you manually save a workspace. Let's put that back to default. Within this toolbar, there's also a button for Workspace Manager, which takes you to a panel to manage workspaces. Alternatively, you can go Windows, Workspace, Workspace Manager. So in this panel, you see on the left-hand side, this is where you manage all of your workspaces. So this is what's saved on your computer. So we can duplicate it by clicking this plus icon. We can rename it by clicking Rename. And we can also delete it by clicking the minus arrow. This right-hand option, on the other hand, specifically refers to the toolbar. So that's what you find within this drop-down. So if I select some options that I don't want to appear within the workspace toolbar, I can remove them by clicking this button here. And then if I click apply and click OK, within this drop-down, you now only have the options that were on the right-hand side. However, you haven't deleted those workspaces because you still have access to them within Windows, Workspace, Workspace. All of your workspaces are still available. If you want to move them back, just select the workspace you want to move back and click the arrow to move it over. To change the order, click on it and click the up and down arrows. If you either want to make a backup of your workspaces or you want to move it to a different computer, then on macOS, you go to this folder, User, Library, Preferences, Toon Boom Animation, Toon Boom Harmony. And in here, you'll see you have a bunch of folders. On Windows, it's under App Data, Roaming, Toon Boom Animation. You'll see you have the version number at the start and then layouts-xml. If you double click on this, you see the Me Like This workspace which we created earlier in the tutorial. That's convenient. So you can just copy and move this. Also good to note this for the future, as your preferences are also found within here. And that is my tutorial on workspaces. Check out my previous 2 episodes on how to configure your workspace, and also the other episode on how to configure your toolbars. Otherwise, subscribe for more Toon Boom Harmony tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.